Have you ever wondered what the scariest animals on Earth are? From the depths of the ocean to the vast expanses of the African savanna, our planet is home to creatures that can make your skin crawl or heart race. Today, we're embarking on an intriguing countdown journey, exploring the top 10 most terrifying animals that share our world. From the tiny and toxic to the large and lethal, this is a trip you won't forget. Let's dive into the world of the most terrifying creatures roaming our planet. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have the poison dart frog. Small but mighty, this frog stands out with its vibrant colors, a warning sign in the animal kingdom. Its name comes from indigenous tribes that once used the frog's toxic secretions to poison the tips of their blow darts. Native to Central and South America's rainforests, these frogs thrive in humid environments. They're most active during rainfall and daylight hours, hopping about the understory layer of the forest. Their diet consists mainly of small invertebrates like ants and beetles. But what makes them scary? Each poison dart frog carries enough poison to deter predators, and in some cases, even humans. The most dangerous species, the golden poison dart frog, carries enough venom to take down 10 grown men. It's their lethal defense mechanism that earns them a spot on our list. So next time you spot a brightly colored frog, beware. It might just be a poison dart frog. At number 9, we find the majestic yet frightening African elephant. This awe-inspiring behemoth is the largest land animal on Earth, tipping the scales at up to 6 tons. They roam the diverse landscapes of Africa, from the arid Sahara Desert to the lush Okavango Delta. African elephants are renowned for their intelligence. They have complex social structures and display a wide range of emotions, including empathy. But don't let their gentle giant demeanor fool you. When threatened, an African elephant can be one of the most dangerous creatures on the planet. Their immense size and surprising speed make them a formidable force to reckon with. Their powerful tusks, capable of ripping through the toughest vegetation and even predators, are not only tools, but also weapons. A single enraged African elephant can wreak havoc on a whole pride of lions or a human settlement. So while their grace and intelligence are to be admired, it's crucial to remember, size and intelligence combined can be quite terrifying. Swimming into the 8th spot, we have the saltwater crocodile. This magnificent beast is the largest living reptile on the planet. With males reaching lengths of up to 23 feet, these crocs are not to be trifled with. Their habitat ranges from the salty waters of the South Pacific to the freshwater rivers of northern Australia and Southeast Asia. They're highly adaptable creatures, comfortable in both sea and fresh water. Now, why are they scary? Well, let's talk about their jaw power. A saltwater crocodile's bite is the most powerful of any animal. Combine that with their exceptional stealth and ability to remain submerged for up to an hour, and you've got a formidable predator. But here's the real kicker. They're not just powerful, they're also incredibly intelligent. They've been observed to use lures and clever tactics to ambush their prey. So think twice before you decide to take a dip in their territory. Charging into number 7, meet the formidable Cape buffalo. Native to the grasslands of sub-Saharan Africa, this beast is anything but docile. Weighing in at a whopping 1,500 pounds and standing nearly 6 feet tall at the shoulder, it's no wonder why the Cape buffalo has earned itself a spot on our list. But it's not just their size that's intimidating. Cape buffaloes are known for their unpredictable nature and aggressive behavior, especially when threatened. Armed with massive, curved horns that can reach up to 4 feet across, they are a formidable adversary to any potential predator. And if you think their formidable size and temper are scary, wait till you hear this. Cape buffaloes are responsible for more human fatalities annually than any other large animal in Africa. So, whether you're an unsuspecting tourist or a seasoned ranger, the Cape buffalo is one creature you definitely don't want to cross paths with. Next time you're on a safari, you might want to keep a safe distance from these beasts. Roaring at number 6, we have the king of the jungle, the African lion. A strong symbol of fear and power, the African lion is undoubtedly one of the most terrifying creatures on our planet. With a body length that can reach up to 8 feet, this massive feline is armed with sharp claws and teeth that easily tear through flesh. The African lion's habitat spans across most of sub-Saharan Africa, with a preference for open grasslands where they can easily stalk their prey. Their social structure, unlike other big cats, revolves around a pride. This grouping adds to their fearsomeness as they work together to take down prey, which can be animals as large as buffaloes. What makes them particularly scary, though, is their unpredictability. Even though they are typically inactive for about 20 hours a day, when they decide to hunt, their speed and strength are truly terrifying. Indeed, the king is as scary as he is majestic. Floating into number 5, we encounter the deadly box jellyfish. This marine creature, with its translucent body and up to 15 tentacles, could easily be mistaken for a harmless jellyfish. However, don't be deceived. The box jellyfish is one of the most venomous creatures on planet Earth. This ethereal beauty inhabits the warm coastal waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans, particularly around northern Australia and Thailand. The box jellyfish's tentacles are lined with thousands of specialized cells known as cnidocytes, each containing a tiny coiled harpoon that delivers a potent venom. What makes this jellyfish truly terrifying is its ability to cause cardiac arrest in humans within minutes of a sting. Its venom attacks the heart, nervous system, and skin cells, making it a silent but deadly marine assassin. The box jellyfish serves as a clear reminder that not all dangers are visible or large. The smallest creatures can often pose the greatest threats. Slithering into the 4th spot, we find the Komodo dragon. The Komodo dragon, or Varanus komodoensis, is a reptilian marvel that hails from the Indonesian islands. It is the largest living species of lizard, growing up to 10 feet long and weighing up to 200 pounds. Now, why is this creature considered scary? Well, the Komodo dragon is a true carnivore and will eat almost anything it can catch, from birds to water buffaloes, and yes, even humans. Its saliva is a deadly cocktail of bacteria and venom, causing sepsis and shock in its victims. It hunts with a stealthy patience, lying in wait for the perfect moment to strike. The Komodo dragon's habitat is as harsh and unforgiving as the creature itself. It thrives in the harsh climates of the Indonesian islands, from dry savanna conditions to tropical rainforests, a true prehistoric terror in the modern world. Buzzing in at number 3, the seemingly harmless yet deadly mosquito. Now you might be thinking, a mosquito? Seriously? But hear us out. This tiny creature, often overlooked due to its minuscule size, carries a lethal punch. The mosquito thrives in warm, humid climates, often near stagnant bodies of water. Its life cycle is fascinating, starting as an egg, then morphing through the larval and pupal stages before becoming an adult. But what makes the mosquito so scary? It's not its buzzing noise or its annoying bites. It's the deadly diseases it can transmit, including malaria, dengue, and Zika virus. These diseases claim hundreds of thousands of lives every year, making the mosquito one of the deadliest animals on Earth. Its size may be small, but its impact is significant and terrifying, making the mosquito a formidable contender in the animal kingdom, perhaps the smallest yet deadliest creature on our list. Swimming into number 2, we find the great white shark. This marine powerhouse is undeniably one of the most fearsome creatures of the deep. The great white shark is known for its impressive size, often reaching over 20 feet in length and weighing in at more than 2 tons. Its torpedo-shaped body is built for speed, and its powerful jaws house rows of serrated teeth, each one capable of inflicting a fatal bite. These creatures inhabit temperate coastal waters around the world, from the chilly depths of the Atlantic to the warmer waters of the Mediterranean. They're apex predators, sitting comfortably at the top of the oceanic food chain. What makes them truly terrifying, though, is their reputation. With a predatory nature and a knack for occasionally confusing surfboards and swimmers for seals, their preferred prey, the great white shark has become an icon of fear and fascination. Yet despite their fearsome reputation, they play a vital role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems, the embodiment of underwater terror. And at number 1, the scariest animal of all, the human. This species is indeed an enigma. With an astounding capacity for ingenuity and creativity, humans have been able to shape and manipulate their environment like no other species on Earth. They inhabit virtually every corner of the globe, from the freezing poles to the scorching equatorial regions. Yet, this adaptability comes with a dark side. Humans possess a destructive potential that far surpasses any other animal. They have the ability to exploit resources, drive species to extinction, and even alter the climate of the planet. Such power, wielded without wisdom, can be truly terrifying. But the greatest fear perhaps lies in their unpredictability. Humans can express profound kindness and empathy, yet also display brutal violence and indifference. This duality makes them the most unpredictable, and therefore, the most frightening of all creatures. A stark reminder that sometimes the most dangerous creature is the one looking back at us in the mirror. And there you have it, the top 10 scariest animals on Earth. From the vibrant yet deadly poison dart frog to the colossal African elephant, the stealthy saltwater crocodile, the unpredictable Cape buffalo, the majestic African lion, the translucent box jellyfish, the robust Komodo dragon, the tiny yet lethal mosquito, the feared great white shark, and lastly, the complex human. Remember, fear is often born of misunderstanding. So, let's strive to understand and coexist with these incredible creatures. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.